want to make the best lip oil on the market, this is my secret. What is up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. Miss Weslynn. This is my channel, Business Weslynn, where I talk about my business, Thebeautypackage, sells unique and creative handmade cosmetics. Yeah. In today's video, I'm doing a highly requested video, which is how to make clear lip oil. I get this question asked so much. I actually wanted to make this recipe fairly simple because I wanted it to be just a simple recipe. A lot of people say, girl, you add a lot of oil. Where do I get this ingredient? Where do I get that ingredient? Where do I get this? I'm gonna give y'all a simple recipe. I know. And the clear lip oil is something I've been asked to make so many times. Oil on my own website. So if you're interested in anything, check out thebeautypackage.com and use code YouTube or new video for money off. Let's get to this video. Let's talk about the ingredients that you're going to need. First, you're gonna need Versagel. This one you can run, but you're gonna just need some good old Versagel. Also, we're gonna use two oils. So I'm gonna use liquid coconut oil, which you can just get at your regular grocery store, and I'm gonna be using vitamin E. Now, y'all, this is gonna be the secret. This is the sauce. This is the secret sauce right here. Vitamin E oil, because this is gonna give your lip glosses such a nice smooth finish, which is gonna just make it amazing. Even if you just put this on your lips, it's already amazing. Incredible lip oil. Of course, we cannot make a lip oil without using binding agents, so I'm gonna be using OC, which is a binding agent, which is just a synthetic binding agent, fatty alcohol. Amazing, and it combines every single thing together. Again, this is my secret ingredient. Okay, y'all, this is my secret. If you want to make the best lip oil on the market, this is my secret. This is P250 in Asian emollient. Y'all, this makes your lips so smooth and shiny and just overall amazing. That being said, gather your ingredients, gather your bowls, gather your gloves, gather your tubes, grab your syringes and grab your pipettes, and let's get into this 5-ingredient lip oil recipe. So let's get started. So I already put my 1 ounce of base in here. So we're gonna go in with around I would just say use 1 ounce of liquid coconut oil. Now we're gonna go in with a vitamin E, which is a very vital ingredient. 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. You can get clear, but it is also like yellow, so you know. Next, we're gonna go in with P250. Two teaspoons of OC. So yeah, we're at 2 ounces. Then I was just going with, so I'm gonna use some strawberry flavoring. I'm just going with some strawberry flavoring. So yeah, so this is a lip oil. I'm gonna go in with 2 ounces of the liquid. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in with it right here. It looks like it's very clear. You can pour it one by one, but I'm gonna just pour it all in. And you just wanna mix. So yeah, y'all, so basically it was 3 ounces of Versagel and 2 ounces of oil. So we have around 5 ounces lip oil right here. So I'm just gonna mix. This is what it looks like. It is super moisturizing, y'all. This is like top tier. Basically, what it looks like, it's soup, y'all. This is a super simple and beginner friendly recipe. A lot of y'all highly requested a clear lip oil or more simple recipes, so here it is, you guys. I'm so excited to be finally doing this video. I recommend letting it sit for like, you know, like around 12 hours. That pure clear lip oil Thank you so much for watching. This is the simple lip oil recipe that's 5 ingredients. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.